Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. Welcome to the channel and to today's video where we need to go food shopping. It is Wednesday, the 20th of July. The new catalogue has just started today. We're doing week 2 of our Flybuys offer. Spend $50 or more over 4 weeks and get 10,000 Flybuy points. So I'm going to take you inside, see what I see what things are on special, and see if we can do close to the $50. I haven't seen a lot in the catalogue that really I'm tempted by, except one thing. So we might get some stockpile things, which will be exciting. So let's go. All right, so we're heading in to Coles. This is one on the stop homes. That was lucky that I could pull in here. It's been a long day. There's lots going. So, of course, we need to grab a trolley because that's how you shop. But also, of course, in traditional me, I don't have any shopping bags with me. I forgot to throw them in the car. In all honesty, I did leave the house about 3 hours ago and with the plan to go grocery shopping, but still. And bags cost like 15 cents each, so no thank you. We'll just throw them all in the car. All right, first thing is some carrots. We're going to grab those. I haven't seen them on special for a while, even though I did get a bag last week from Woolies on markdown. It's always good to have a backup. And I had a quick look at these markdown things, but it's not really anything that we would eat. Especially with winter, we want some warmer foods. So I always have a look at these meal-based things now because you can get some really cheap if they're super marked down. Nothing there today. All right, we're going to grab some cheese, $7 for the block. Throw that in. I need a block of cheese, but I might go to Aldi for that because it's a bit cheaper because I noticed the block of cheese is $9.90. All right, packet of wraps. We need that always, so $2. And the bakery's got some good markdowns. Yep, you're coming home with me. Thank you very much. That's pizza bases done. All right, and then I turned around, I saw some more bakeries. We're gonna get some white bread. Oh no, we changed my mind. I'm gonna get the Wonder White bread, 37 cents. 4 cents extra, but it's a bit bigger and it stays fresh a little bit longer. I noticed these products were new. Just wanted to have a bit of a nosy on through. Caramel Maltesers. I wish there was free taste testing. And crunchy honeycomb. So obviously we've got new things happening. New at Coles. I saw this milk. That's really good price. 40 cents, but it's low fat. And we already have enough milk, so I don't need any. And I just grabbed 2 of these coffees for my daughter because I really need to focus on other things rather than her coffee. I saw this chai tea, but it's only marked down for 50 cents, so I might see if online have a better deal. And I've grabbed a couple of these hot chocolates because they are the thing that we're stockpiling. And around the corner, I noticed there's some more chocolate on special. However, I did just get some as a markdown, so trying to be good and avoid this, so walked past. I got a couple of packets of Scotch finger biscuits. These are hubby's favourite, so he asked for a pack. And also, they're really good for the base of cheesecakes that I make. So I thought, let's grab an extra one and throw it in there. And I'm going to grab some chocolate chip cookies as well because it's been a few weeks since we've had them. I can make my own cookies and I will, but these are always good to have in the cupboard. And I need to grab a couple packets of chips for hubby for his snack when he gets home from work because we have none. And I have a look at these school chips and the ones that I want, there aren't any here. Great. So we're going to have to look at going elsewhere and maybe hope that we can find some in a markdown, or I'll just go to another Coles and get some. We have some in the cupboard ready for school, so it's not a problem, but I just thought I'd check them out. I had a look at these, but I'm not really happy with the price point. Grabbed an apple juice, $2.15. This will go in the cupboard because we've just opened the last one. Something I really need to stockpile a bit more. And this is the thing I came for. My daughter's noodles. They're on special, $1.65. So they've gone up. They were $1.90. They've gone up to $2.15. So when they come on special, I'm going to buy them. And there was only 3. So yes, sorry, I did take all 3 because she hasn't had any for weeks and weeks and weeks because I refused to buy them at that big price. All right, I am just hunting. Ooh, not Promite, thank you. Vegemite. I'm just filming for some prices because we are going to need some soon. So I just want to do a little bit of research about what the good price is. And I'm confused as to why this is here. Power to you. Cinnamon sugar, we need 1 of these. I actually would love to get 2, but I think 1 is good enough for now. And I do look every now and again to see if they're in packets like this, but they're not. I think I'm going to go check out a little smaller Asian grocery store. Oh, this game's still here. Good to see that it's on clearance price. Maybe someone would like Pandemic in their house. It's a good game, actually. Was going to get some iced coffee, but nothing's on markdown, so I'll leave that for a markdown day and see if I can get any. And I need to get some butter because we don't actually have any of this, and this is the one that my daughter asks for. Apparently it's 10 cents different. This is Australian butter. The other one's Coles. I've no idea. But my daughter likes proper butter to make her cookies with, so I got her that. Corn kernels, $3.20. Great, they've gone up from $2.70, but we need them, so they're going to go in there. All right, quick calculation, $49.37 for all of these things here. So I'm very close to the $50. There are a few things that we're going to need super soon, like toilet paper. So I've done a bit of a reconnaissance to have a look at the prices that are there. I might see what else Woolworths have and maybe Foodland and just check out the price. I was just looking at some of the brand deals, the pricing for there, but I'm not going to go any further up there. Oh yes, I nearly forgot hubby's ham. So we're going to grab one of these, then it's there for his lunches. If I find any on markdown, I will grab them because I can always freeze it, but at least I have that for him. All right, let's head to the checkout and see what our price is. Oh, we're just a little bit over $50. That's okay. I'm super happy with that. So that was week 2 done, and we've got 2 of these Harry Potter collectible cards as well. So I will open them up together soon because I have a couple more at home. Hey guys, all right, we are back. Lighting is terrible, but I just got home. It's 5:29 p.m, but I need to film this really quickly so I can upload it for you guys. Talk about leave it to the last minute, but I've had so much going on today, which you will see coming up soon. So I am excited. So not a lot of stuff for actual stockpile, just again, the things that we need for right now, which is fine. Look, we're going to get there one day. That's where some of the specials and the other bargain things come up. But also, I have a few things in the woodworks that have come up today, and I need to focus on directing that. So as much as I have plans, you guys know me, I'm all over the joint, but we will get there together. So I'm really happy with the shop that we do have. It will cruise us through. And yeah, we've got markdown shopping tomorrow. So come back and join us for that. You can check out last week's shop, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.